Welcome back. Ever wish there was a faster way to open programs you use a lot, or even the ones you use on occasion? Are you like me and often wind up with too many windows to find where the browser even went? Or are you someone who prefers to have one window open at a time, but frequently closes that one, and has to go back to the start menu or the desktop to open up the next one? Either way, AutoHotkey can help you save a few seconds here and there as you move between different programs, helping you save time throughout the day. Let's look at how we can use the ActivateOrOpen method on ahkgen.com to quickly bring a program to the front, or if it's not open, open it for quick access with a single keystroke. For this example, I'll use Notepad, although this method applies to any program that you use. The script I run on my main machine has Chrome, Firefox, Notepad++, and a bunch of other programs set up this way. We need the window title in order for this to work. For most windows, that will be apparent here in the title of the bar. Sometimes for a tab program like a browser, it often depends on the tab. But in this case, we can see that when I have Notepad open, there's this space dash space Notepad in the name. So heading over to ahkgen.com, I'm going to use the default row that's provided, and I'm going to set it to hotkey, a set of keys that I press at once to trigger an action. I want to use Control, Alt, and N for Notepad so that with the modifier keys to prevent me from accidentally hitting this normally. I wanted to activate or open, and for the window I'm going to put the space dash space Notepad that we noted earlier appears in the title, and for the program I'm going to put notepad.exe. This is the program that is the name of the executable. I'll get into how to find these a little bit later. But we can go ahead and submit, and we look at the code that was generated, which says to use Control Alt N, run ActivateOrOpen with the parameters we provided. We can go ahead and download this, and because I have AutoHotkey installed, when I click on it, it goes ahead and launches, and so you can see it running down here. Now if I hit Control Alt N, it brings Notepad to the front. So now if I press Control Alt N, Notepad is brought up. This works even if the program is minimized or if another window is on top. So that's cool, but we can also do it with more than one program. Unfortunately, finding the name of a program to run or what name of the title should be is sometimes a little tricky. Fortunately, AutoHotkey ships with a utility called Windows Spy that helps you determine this information. The easiest way to launch it is to right-click on a running script and select Windows Spy. This is a simple utility that gives you information about the title, class, and program behind a given window. By clicking here on Chrome, I can see the window title has this dash space Google Chrome in it, and that the executable behind it is chrome.exe. And the same holds true if I am in a different tab on a different site. It still has that space dash space Google Chrome. So going back to ahkgen.com, I'm actually finished with this now, so I'll close it. I'm going to add another row. I'm going to set Control Alt I for Internet, and I'm going to have that ActivateOrOpen space dash space Google Chrome, and if a window is not found, I want it to run chrome.exe. And submit, and download, and we can run it. And looks like it loaded because it's running down here. If I minimize Chrome and hit Control Alt I, it pops back up. If I close it, it will reopen. So this is a quick way that you can use AutoHotkey to quickly manage the various windows and programs you need throughout the day. Until next time, this is AHKGen signing off.